Remote controller pairing. The remote controller and the aircraft have been paired in the factory. If you change the aircraft or the remote controller, you will need to repair the device. There are two ways you can pair the aircraft with the remote controller. Option 1. Pair with controller and aircraft buttons. Remove the gimbal cover. Press the aircraft power button for 3 seconds to turn on the aircraft. Double-click the aircraft power button. The indicator will flash green quickly, indicating it is ready to pair. When the remote controller is off, press the home button and power button at the same time. The remote controller indicator will flash quickly, indicating it is ready to pair. If the pairing is successful, the green indicator on aircraft will stay on for 5 seconds. Then it will flash yellow slowly. Option 2. Pair in the Autel Sky app. Remove the aircraft's gimbal cover. Open the Autel Sky app. Go to the Personal Center and click Connect New Aircraft. Follow the on-screen instructions. Press and hold the remote controller power button for 2 seconds to turn on the controller, and click Next. Connect the remote controller and the mobile device. Press and hold the aircraft power button for 3 seconds to turn on the aircraft, and click Next. Double-click the aircraft power button. The indicator will flash green quickly, indicating the aircraft is pairing. After successfully pairing, the green indicator on aircraft will stay on for 5 seconds. Then it will flash yellow slowly. Thank you for watching.